So I've been looking for courses all my life, ever since I started working, in terms of what would be the right management course for me that would take me to the next step. Therein I decided saying that, how about I take a course that allows me to learn on one side and apply it immediately at the workplace. And therein came in the aha moment of, taking an executive management course. So during the course of the program, I got to refresh my knowledge on finance, given that I'm come from a financial background. I also got to learn new aspects about marketing, about operations, but more importantly, what really made it interesting for me was to learn about the softer aspects of management, negotiation, leadership. What does it take? What are the skill sets to rise up? What are the building blocks to be an important cog in that organization's wheel? And all those things were very important that I got to not just learn, but even apply it immediately on the very next day after each course, with respect to corporate communication, with respect to marketing. And all these tools that I got to learn during the program allowed me to build a framework in terms of how to apply it. And what this program allowed me was to have that toolkit ready to use where I needed to use as part of my growth in this organization. There were some things that I got to learn with respect to myself also, what works for me at the workplace, how do I need to improve as an individual, how do I need to improve as a professional, where does empathy be really required for leadership, where do you need to take strong calls. So I think this program has been extremely beneficial for me to learn all these aspects so that I can pick and choose what's right for me at the right time.